Alright, so I have, my background is Miss Modern Stamp Market called Color Palette. And this is a picture of my mom with my youngest sister's daughter, Jada. Alright, so my yellow pattern, green floral is Miss Modern Stamp Market. The yellow pattern is a scrap that was left over. And then the pink striped layer, which is the photo mat from Pink Fresh Studio, Let's Stay Home. The die cuts that I'm using are Hip Kit Club's Homemade Memories. That's their exclusive products. Sorry. Alright, so I use a lot of die cuts on this, and then the puppy stickers, which are from Pink Fresh Studio, Let's Stay Home. And then the Happy Home is American Crafts Casey stickers from Family. Well, I was going to do the family, but I was like, no. With the Happy Home title being so huge that the family just is overwhelming the whole thing, so I'm not going to use it. And I'm just going to use the Happy Home. And so this is from a very, very basket. And then I'm going to do splatters. And then I forget to stop recording, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to write all my information down so I don't forget. And then I go in and I always measure and get the size for each layer so I can put that on my blog. And so that's my process. I usually do the writing while I am putting it together. But I didn't in this case. So yeah. That way then I have it and I know what I'm gonna put on my blog. And so once I get the writing done, that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.